welcome back to my channel for my Walgreens video. Thanks for joining me and thanks for all your support. I want to wish everyone a wonderful week. This is actually a very small haul, but it ended up being a very good money maker. I want to try to see if I will get a paper spend booster. So what I did was pick up this Covergirl face product on sale for $4.39. And I used the $3 coupon we got from the 310 savings set. It's going to drop it down to just $1.39, and I'll pay that, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for a $3 back. This transaction went very well. I redeemed $1 Walgreen cash, paid just the 39 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back the $3, making this product free and a $1.61 moneymaker. And I received a spend booster or spend $40, I'll get back $7 Walgreen cash, which I will combine with my digital spend $30, get $7 Walgreen cash for my next transaction. Using the two spend boosters I mentioned earlier on, the first deal I'll pick up will be the spend $20, get $10 register reward. I'll pick up 3 of the Neutrogena makeup remover towelettes. They are priced at $8.29, but they're on sale for buy one get one half off. That means 2 will be full price and the third one will be half off, which means I'll be paying just $4.14 for the third one. These 3 are going to total $20.72. I only have a $3 digital coupon I can use for this, but remember I'm using this with the spend booster. But if you don't have the spend booster and you're doing this by itself, after the $3 comes off, it will drop it down to $17.72. Pay that and get $10 register reward back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each, limit of 3. That means I'll get back $6 from Ibotta, making all 3 of them just $1.72 or just 57 cents each. This next deal is actually a freebie if you don't have any spend booster and you just want to pick up free toothpaste. That will be on Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $4, and when you buy 2, you get $4 register reward back. I'll pick up 2. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 4. Then I'll get $4 back, making both toothpaste free. My next deal is on Dove Scalp Plus Hair Therapy. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get back $10 register reward. I'll pick up 2 of the hydrating conditioner. As you can see, my store is out of the shampoo, and last week I picked up the serum. They are priced at $12.49. I'll pick up 2, and both will total $19.48. I'll use 2 of the $3 Pili coupon that will help drop it down to $13.48, and I'll get $10 register reward back, making both just $3.48 or $1.74 each. If you don't have the Pili coupon, we have a $3 digital coupon in our app, and you can also submit your receipt to Shopkick for a $3 back on the second conditioner. This is what my transaction looked like, and the total for everything you're looking at is $48.20. I only have $13 in coupon. That will drop it down to $35.20. I'll use some of the register reward I previously earned, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. All my coupons came off except the 4 off 2 for the Colgate. I knew something was off because of my total, but the 2 paper coupons came off and the $3 for the Neutrogena came off as well. I used $22 register reward to help pay it down, paid $17.20 out of pocket instead of $13.20, and I got back my $10 register reward for the Dove product and a $10 register reward for the Neutrogena and a $4 register reward for the Colgate. And I also got back $14 for the spend booster. Remember, it's $7 for each one. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each Neutrogena towelette, a total of $6. After all this register reward and Walgreen cash and the rebate from Ibotta, this transaction ended up being free and $11.70 moneymaker. I almost forgot to mention that I called customer service and they gave me $4 Walgreen cash in place of the 4 off 2 coupon that didn't come off for the Colgate. So be careful when you're doing this deal if you want to use the 4 off 2 that it come off. I hope this video is helpful enough. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.